Really go over there. I'm still on my drive, but there's a Cessna, and I think find out in a second once he finishes his turn. But he has some blue paint on it. Yeah, so it's a blue bottom, and then the tail isn't white. I'm not sure yet, but it might be, like I said earlier, with blue wings on the bottom of the wings. But so he's just flying around. And he's not even just doing it to fly around and get the job done. He's projecting his joy to me, like he's getting it done. He's like, they should send out intelligent people that just get their jobs done instead of requiring to derive some kind of pleasure, because we've seen that work out for them a few times. Maybe there should be an IQ test before they send people out. Now here's a second one who also requires an assessment right here on my head. Like, what's he doing? If anyone saw this, I hadn't heard of anything about it, and they're like, why is there a plane on his head this close to him while he's recording it? And there goes a jet in the airway. Looks like it's red with silver. Just doing his best. This guy is now beginning to have a meltdown.